Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the BABYCE 61 key electronic keyboard, a digital piano designed with beginners and students specifically in mind. This instrument aims to provide a solid starting point for anyone looking to dive into the world of music, whether you're a complete novice or an adult picking up a new hobby. One of the first things you notice is the 61 keys. For a beginner instrument, this is a great number to get started with, offering enough range to play many popular songs and exercises without being overwhelming. The keys themselves are designed with the same height and have a certain sense of depression, which is important. This feel helps beginners get used to the touch and response of a keyboard, strengthening those crucial fingering exercises right from the start. It's not just about hitting notes, it's about developing proper technique. Beyond the keys, the keyboard comes equipped with 8 different tones and 5 rhythms. While this might seem modest compared to professional keyboards, it's more than enough variety for a beginner to explore different sounds and practice playing along to simple beats. It keeps things focused and manageable, allowing students to concentrate on learning the fundamentals rather than getting lost in too many options. A really neat feature, especially for students, is the microphone function. The keyboard allows you to connect external devices like a microphone. This is fantastic for practicing singing along while playing, or even for simple recording purposes as you progress. It adds another layer of interaction and learning. The overall design is multifunctional, built to help beginners learn rich musical knowledge. It's structured to guide students in mastering basic standard skills. The combination of the key feel, the included tones and rhythms, and the connectivity options all work together towards this goal. It's also described as portable, which is a huge plus for students who might need to take it to lessons or simply move it around the house easily. Ultimately, the BABYCE 61 key electronic keyboard seems well suited to meet the needs of beginners, students, and adults who are just starting their musical journey. It provides the essential tools in a straightforward package, focusing on the core aspects of learning piano without unnecessary complexity. If you're looking for an accessible and functional first keyboard, this one definitely fits the bill.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.